Marshall's Nature Reserve is the first and largest protected habitat built at a residential house in Sudan. It includes a number of unique parrots, ornamental birds, and a koi fish pond. The reserve's area is 400 square meters and it's 10 meters high. The reserve is equipped to become a natural alternative to the bird's life. A special cooling system, artificial rain, was put in place to overcome the hot weather in Sudan. Our vision is to build and operate a nature reserve consisting of a tropical garden populated with native and international tropical birds that will entertain and educate visitors, maintain the natural balance of the environment, and incorporate education regarding environmental sustainability in addition to being profitable. Our vision is to treat our natural resources as an asset that will promote environmental responsibility and encourage sustainability. This edition created for Mashrohi.